Ask Daddy if you can go. Where's your daddy? Ask him. Say, I promise I'll be a good girl.
She won't.
And I won't bark at any other dogs.
No, she will.
And I'll just lay there and be very, very good.
Yeah, no, she won't.
I promise, Daddy. Oh. You want to come, Biggie? We're on our way to City Park for the food truck rally. Wally is pre-gaming with some chicky nuggies. Oh. Should we go see where the food trucks are, buddy? Look it. Food trucks. There it is, Wally. Look it. That's Mommy's favorite food truck. My favorite food truck is here. Biggie's trying really hard to be a good girl, aren't she? Yeah, I know. It's so hard. There's so many puppies. And she really wants to bark, but she's trying really hard to be a good girl. She already knocked Marc over once. This is the reality of trying to vlog with an almost 2-year-old. He just wants to play his train game right now. And we should have brought a soccer ball, because he's mad about that. And we have a dysfunctional dog that's trying to bark at everybody and is now sitting on me. This is the reality of life. Today I'm gonna be the bigger dog. I'm not gonna bark at that other dog. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna bark at that other dog. Good girl. Good girl, big girl. Okay, we're home from the food truck rally. It was a lot of fun, but lessons learned. A, always bring a ball to the park because everybody had their soccer balls and Wally was obsessed and wanted a soccer ball. And B, I don't think Biggie will be coming on very many more outings with us because she cannot handle other dogs on leashes when she's on a leash. She's kind of a jerk about it. So we'll see. We tried. Also, if you get your kid a smoothie, don't let them have it in the back seat of the car because they're inevitably going to dump it all over themselves. So, 3 valuable lessons from tonight's outing. We don't let you feed yourself soup, do we? Because it's too messy. So mommy has to help. Marc's grilling burgers. Doing some chips and salsa. And watching our favorite vloggers. Here's to you. Alright, well, I am off to Colorado Springs for a work conference. It's Wednesday night. I'll be back on Friday. Going down for a Google EdTech Summit. I always hate leaving my family. It's always really hard. Try not to be sad about it. And I also hate driving because Mark and I have been together since I was 14. He's always been the driver. So, I mean, I do drive. I've driven to Denver. I've done it, but I just don't like it. He's kind of the designated family driver. So I'm going to venture out on my own and make my way down to Colorado Springs and do this conference, and then I'll be back on Friday. So I will try and update you guys a little bit when I'm down there if I can. Mommy's home. Is mommy home, Wally? Yeah, did you miss me? Yeah, are you watching Nature Cat? Yeah. Oh. Mommy's happy to be home. She missed you.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey. Oh, hi.
Hey.
Yay. Hi. Yeah. We're just hanging out on a Saturday. Wally's playing with some trains. Biggie, what you doing? You spying on us? Did you just get to eat your brother's chicken nuggets because he didn't want to eat his lunch? It's a good day, huh?
Yeah, Biggie ate your chicken nuggets.
Yeah. Biggie ate all your chicken nuggets.
All your chicken nuggets gone.
You should have eaten them.
Yep.
We're just hanging out trying to decide if we want to go to the pool or if we want to go to the park. But it's like 95 degrees outside.
Yeah.
So we're not sure we want to go to the park. But maybe the pool. Biggie, can you help your brother? She's not hurting it. He gets really upset with Biggie now. You Biggie, you giving your daddy some kisses. Wally, you ready to go to the pool? Yeah, we decided it was the perfect time to go to the pool, right, Daddy?
Right.
So we're heading to the pool. Uh-oh, you threw your ball. So fortunate that when we moved into this house, we had this high-end dog fountain installed in our bathroom, also known as a bathtub, but you know, mostly just a drinking fountain for Great Danes. It's her favorite place to drink water. Current state. Wally wants me to come lay down and join. We watching some movies with Daddy? You snuggling? Yeah, that's so nice, buddy. Snuggling. Hi.